What's up, y'all? CleanCutz the one, back with another video. I know it's been a while since y'all have seen a review like this, but I just got my camera back. Look, I lost this thing in the Uber in Orlando when I was at the Orlando premiere, right? So I talked to the Uber guy. This dude extorted me for 50 bucks to return my camera, but I'm not even tripping. I had some dudes that were ready to tune him up and get my camera back. I said, no, just give him the 50 bucks, get my camera back. So, just got out of the gym. I'm looking a mess, whatever. I came home. I got a new toy that I picked up at the premiere. This is the Oster Octane. It's the detachable clipper from Oster, and I'm not sure if you guys watched the videos. The detachable that I've been working with has been the Andis Super ZR. I've been really happy with that. It's a great clipper, no issues with it, but I've been listening to Matt cut with this thing over across the way, and man, this thing, it sounds so classic. If I didn't buy it, it's worth $300 just for the way it sounds. I know that sounds terrible, but, I mean, just listen to the classic sound. I mean, just listen to... It just sounds so good. It sounds good. I don't know if I can even explain how it sounds good, but I love the sound. Let's get into the actual review. First of all, I gotta say, with this clipper, the ergonomics of this thing, right? This little dip right here makes all the difference in the world, because they made it so when you put the battery in, this thing is just perfectly balanced. And when you talk about doing clipper over comb, which is what a lot of people use their detachable clippers for, the weight and this grip is perfect. I mean, just this little piece right here where you would grip, I mean, it feels so good in your hand. It really does. So let's check some of the stats on it. It says this is a lithium-ion battery. It says up to 2 hours time. I don't know anybody that uses their clipper, their detachable, for 2 hours in a day. And it gives you a slot in the charger for you to actually charge extra battery. So if you keep an extra battery charged, then you can keep that there. So you'll literally never run out. This one has up to 120 minutes runtime. And it's got some statistics on here that says other cordless clippers run an average of 45 minutes. I don't know if that's true. I don't know if they didn't cite the source on the box. So you're going to have full power all the way until it's dead. And once it's dead, it's dead. But there will be no drop in the power, which is what is indicated by the scale right here. It says you're going to run, and then it'll die. So that's good news. It comes with 2 detachable blades. It comes with the 1 detachable blade, and it comes with the triple lot detachable blade, which is dope. That's awesome. Now, I will say, these look really good. The aesthetics on these black blades, I think they look awesome. The problem is, I really do prefer the Andis ceramic blades because they stay cool longer, and I think they're just a better quality of blade. Nothing against these blades, but I mean, realistically, I'm the type of dude that I want to have all black blades, but I'm probably going to have to go with Andis ceramic just because I want the best that's available, and I think that those are just a little bit better. I like putting the ceramic blade on my fast feeds, I like putting the ceramic blade on my fast feeds. Anytime I can interchange metal for ceramic, I'm going to do that because it is helpful. It comes with a huge tube of lubricating oil, just like all the other clippers do, and it comes with this cleaning brush, which I would actually use this probably more for like a Kiss Express brush or something like that to do some enhancements. Definitely going to keep this. I used to just kind of toss these to the side, but finding some uses for these. This is a rotary motor clipper. It says brake resistant housing. I'm loving that carbon fiber. I think that's just a great looking design. LED charging indicator, so that way when you got it charged, I'll show you how it works. Alright. So you've got it hung up. When you've got it charged, it does have a LED indicator, and it's red, and it turns green when it's fully charged. Now I will say this is pretty cool because as soon as I pulled it out of the package, I put it on the charge. and as soon as I put it on there, it turned green. So I think it was in the box probably like, I don't know, 90% charged or something, because it didn't take long for it to get charged. So anyways, that's fresh out of the box. I'm really excited to have this. I've actually been using mats for a while. And for me, between this and the Super ZR, those are really the two leading cordless detachable clippers, and these are both great. It's really a matter of preference, and I think it's really a matter of budget. Both of these clippers are expensive. I think the ZR is like $200. This was $300 at the show, and it comes with 2 blades. $300 is a lot of money for a clipper. You don't need to jump off and get this, you know, more clippers and better clippers isn't going to make you a better barber. However, you know, as you grow, you should be looking to invest in yourself and anything that makes your job easier. Also, whenever I buy a new clipper, I just feel better. Like, I get excited about cutting again. So a lot of times I'll buy new tools just to get reinvigorated with regards to my excitement about what it is that I'm doing. So I'm excited to try these out. I'm going to get you guys a little bit of footage tomorrow. Not really. Yeah, I'm glad to be able to do this review again. We got more stuff coming. Successful shop series still on the way. Check it out. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see a review on. And I appreciate you guys tuning in. Sorry about the way I look. More content coming soon. Till next time, peace.